Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I've just arrived at this is sort of the southern eastern tip of the Cairngorms, and there's a sign for some of the local mountains. Mount Keen's just up that way, and it's a fair old drag to get here. I set off last night and drove up and picked up Evinia, and then we carried on today. It's 330 miles from home to here, and we had planned to do some camps over the next few days, so this I might do one video of all the camps, but we've had to change the plans because it's really windy. The forecasts for the next few days are like 30-mile-an-hour winds, 50-mile-an-hour gusts, so we've decided to camp lower down, and maybe just, if we're going to go up the summits, we'll probably just walk it and leave the tent lower down, and for that reason I brought the Allak, just to make sure that it can stand the strong winds at night. We were thinking about heading towards over the west coast towards Fort William that way, but the weather's just horrendous.
Isle of Arran was the original plan, but
yeah, even Mull, but it's just so wet over that way. And we looked at the forecast further east, and you see it's beautiful now, but it's really windy. I think it's the sunshine and showers just for the next few days. So I just want to objective is to keep out of that wind and just endure the showers when they arrive. Right, so I think we'll get on with it now. We just left the car park 5 minutes down there, which was pretty heaving because of all the baggers. Look at that, the tree's been swept down river, and it's got stuck in the weir. So we've just come across this castle. Check that out. Might have a look inside, see what's going on. Yeah, it's been blocked up, you can't get in. Ah. Oh.
hey guys, so this area has like the most easterly Scottish Munro, called Mount Keen. But we're not taking that. We park up at the same place. We're taking the Glen Lee direction, past Loch Lee with 50 gusts to Falls of Unique, which is a fantastic waterfall. And we're near Ballater. Also, if you were to walk, it's only about 15 miles to Balmoral from here, but driving's a bit longer. So yeah, we're not far off that side of where the Queen's Castle is, if that makes sense. But yeah, we're very far east of the Cairngorms. All the bad weather is hitting the northwest, west Scotland. Kind of starts in the middle of the Cairngorms. That's what always happens when there's bad weather in Scotland. The eastern part of the Cairngorms always kind of miss it, which is why we're here. And then the rest of it's like 90% rain. Whereas here it's just dry and windy, sunny and cloudy, which tends to be the case.
Waves on the water there. I've just measured the wind, it's about 25, 35 gusts, and I've put this layer on because I'm just getting a bit cold with that wind blowing again. So when the sun went in, but it's come back out now typically, so it's still quite warm. up into this top of the valley, and that wind is really bad. I've not a chance to measure the wind speed yet, but real struggle getting the tent up, really was. I think I've done alright with it now, but yeah, it was, as I was trying to get it up, the gusts were coming through, and I just had to get the guys in as quickly as possible because the poles were really bending. But now it's up and it's got pinned down properly, it looks alright. But as I say, I've not measured the wind gust, but it's been bent all over the place. So I'm getting quite cold now, so I'm going to actually get in the tent and get some more clothes on because it's freezing. I haven't had a chance to check out the waterfall yet. The waterfall's just up there. But it's, what time is it? 7:30 Saturday night. So I'm going to get in the tent and get some warm clothes on. So we're in the tent now, I've got my warm clothes on, we're all shut up, and
I certainly have shut up.
I don't know about that. Anyway, the brews are on, and it was funny earlier because everybody said to me, so now you've got the tent up, is it going to stay up all night, or what? And I just went, I don't know. So that didn't inspire her with any confidence, but it's how it is, isn't it? I think it's going to be fine. I've double pegged that end. I've double pegged the windy end, and I snapped one of my 9-inch pegs as well in the ground. There's rocks underneath, so I think it'd be okay. It's a great tent, and I know what I'm doing, as you know. So what can go wrong? Right, we'll get the tea on. See you later. So I've just nipped out to check out the waterfall and check out the tent as well. I haven't seen anyone since we pitched up. I pitched up right on the path because it was the best surface to get a flat pitch on. Didn't get pitched till 7:30 at night, so there's no one going to be coming up here at this time, and they'll be gone by the time anyone comes up in the morning. Woo! Right. There's a pitch down there. That tent is absolutely awesome. It's just rocking that wind, no problem. See there, right in the middle of the path, it's totally flat. Got the pegs in really good as well. I've just been checking them and adjusting the guys. I've double pegged some of them as well just to make sure I'd be safe. What a place though! No problem at all. Right, I'm going to get some more water for tonight, then we can get some brews on and probably settle down in the tent, I think. What time is it? 9:45. Looking good. See you in a bit. now. Just been checking around, make sure I've not left any pegs in, leave no trace as always. But the sun's come out this morning, it's absolutely beautiful. What a place this is. Falls of Unik, I'll put it on the screen as I say, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. It's really beautiful there. All around it is. So it's about a 4-mile walk back to the car now. Down through the valley there, past Loch Lee, and back to where we set off from. So we're just reaching the end of Loch Lee now and the sun's come out and it's beautiful. Still looks a bit cloudy where we came from, but heading back on this path now, it looks really nice. That was one hell of a windy night, and it's probably the windiest I've had that Allak pitched in, and certainly pitching it in that wind was pretty difficult. It was all blowing around. Before I could get the pole secure, they nearly got snapped, so there's a bit of learning there maybe for next time, but it was okay in the end. And once I'd adjusted it, when I got all the pegs in and tightened everything down, it was absolutely brilliant all night. Quite noisy, but I mean, I don't know how you can get around that really, but still love that tent. And yeah, it's been a great little trip. I think it's about 4 miles out, 4 miles back. Right, hope you've enjoyed it. Get in the comments if you've got anything to say about my video, or got any advice for me or anything like that, and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.